Hello guys, welcome to Netcom Bit. This video is showing you how to speed up your internet connection. First, I check up my current internet status and I check world most popular internet checker website speedtest.net. Okay, go to my speed test. Okay, it's taken some times. Okay, wait for fully checking. Yes, my downloading speed is current 23.94. Wait for my uploading speed. Okay, my uploading speed is 37.62. Okay, please follow now steps how to increase your speed. First, go your network adapter and change adapter options. And go to properties and choose IPv4 and select properties and choose DNS and type preferred DNS server 1.1.1.1 1.0.0.1 and click OK and OK. After complete the step, I again check my current downloading speed. Go. Pings already increase. Wait for downloading speed. Wow, it's really amazing. 38.90. Already so much speed increase. Wait for uploading. It is also increased but little. Okay, no problem. I think totally increase. Okay, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel.